Welcome back. It's great to have you here. In this video, I'll guide you through the key manufacturing innovations delivered with the SAP S for HANA Cloud Public Edition 2608 release. Let's take a look how they can help you streamline your manufacturing processes and drive greater business value. Before we begin, I'd like to mention that this is an AI avatar representing Markus Florian Oertelt, who prepared the content of this video. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with some great news. Let me introduce the Managed Production Orders, Production Planning, and Operations Agent for general availability. We start in the Managed Production Orders app. From the work list, the planner launches the Production Planning and Operations Agent using the dual release button. The selected production orders are automatically passed to the agent for evaluation. The agent begins by checking all release prerequisites. In this example, it detects that one of the required BOM components is not available. Instead of stopping the process, the agent searches for a suitable alternative material and presents the recommendation. The planner can review the proposed replacement, compare the original and alternative materials, and decide whether the suggested component should be used for the production order. After reviewing the recommendation, the planner confirms that the alternative material should replace the unavailable component. The agent updates the production order accordingly. Next, the agent verifies work center availability. It identifies a capacity conflict and explains why the order cannot be released as currently planned. Instead of simply reporting the issue, the agent proposes possible actions. The planner can accept the recommendation, reschedule the order, or cancel the operation, depending on the business requirements. By automating prerequisite checks, recommending alternatives, and guiding planners through exception handling, the production planning and operations agent streamlines the release process and reduces manual effort. The Managed Planned Orders app introduces the next innovation. With these features, you can now check if there are enough components available to complete your planned orders in the Managed Planned Orders app. You can also select a planned order and convert or partially convert a planned order to a production or process order. Now, you can also modify the order type and production version in the Convert Planned Order window, as well as changing the total quantity. Last but not least, you can also use the Check Component Availability API with your payload to check the availability of the components. Change documents for production order and process order is our last innovation. Let's take a look. We begin by opening a production order in the Production Orders app. From here, the planner can review all information related to the order. Next, we navigate to the New Change Documents tab, where the complete history of changes made to the production order is available. The system displays a chronological list of all recorded changes. Each entry shows the type of change, the affected field, and the technical key associated with the update. By expanding a change record, the planner can see exactly what was modified. The detailed view highlights the previous value and the new value, making it easy to understand what changed. This provides full visibility into the history of production and process orders, helping planners track modifications, understand who made the changes, and support collaboration and compliance. And that's just a glimpse of the exciting innovations we're delivering for manufacturing with the 2608 release. Want to learn more? Join the conversation with our product experts in the SAP community, where you can explore the latest innovations, ask questions, and share your feedback. Thank you for watching and for being part of our manufacturing community. We hope you enjoyed this update, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next release.